Good evening, everybody. My subscribers, fellow traders, my students, and all forex traders, including crypto, stock, whatever you are trading. I greet you from West Africa. The time now is 8:24 p.m. My name is Samuel Okoyocha from Biafra in West Africa. Okay, in the morning, I made the analysis on currency pairs plus silver and gold. Tonight, I want to analyze cryptocurrencies and some stocks. Okay, so I have to combine the two because of time. Okay, let me start with Bitcoin. Okay, you can see Bitcoin, this is 4 hours chart. I mean, by now, you will understand why I kept telling you, do not sell your coin. Because I know someday, coin will peak, and the time is not that far again. So as you can see, Bitcoin, after dropping below 29.00, people became more afraid. I kept encouraging my listeners, my subscribers, don't sell your coin. You can now see what is happening. It gained 4,000 plus within a few days. Okay. Now, what next for Bitcoin? The next is here. Here is the next target. Okay. So once we cross here, then I can assure you that the bull market is getting closer and closer and closer. So this is a very good sign that the bear market, as I said before, that bear market of this season may not linger as usual. Okay, maybe I will be correct. So if Bitcoin goes above this level, maybe next week or the upper week, maybe we might see 40,000 very soon. And once we see 40,000, I tell you, it's bye-bye to bear market. Even if the strength continues above here, it's almost bye-bye to bear market. So let's go to 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, you can see what we have. Coin is just going very strong. So what do we expect next? The next thing we expect, let me show you what we expect next. Let me put a channel. So the channel will be our guide for now. Let me change the color of the channel. Okay, so for now, let's focus on watching how price goes. Probably we will likely get this type of move, maybe this type of move. Then, so something like this will likely happen, or it may keep going within this very channel. But you know, as I always tell you, market does not move in a straight move. So if it is going within the channel, sometimes we will see something like this happen, then it will begin to go up again. So we keep watching as the day comes and goes. Okay, let's Ethereum. Ethereum is also strong. Ethereum is also doing great. So all I have been telling you is now happening. And it's been you sold your coin out of fear or fear of unknown. But you don't know what's happened again. Now I'm sure you will be regretting. So what next for Ethereum? Just like Bitcoin, here is the next target for Ethereum is 2419. If the market goes above it, if the market goes above 2419, then our hope of bull market will now become clearer to us. Okay, remember, I see this as wave 1 and this as wave 2, and the wave 2 did not violate. Okay, so let's take 1 hour to know what we have on 1 hour. One hour, we also have channel on 1 hour. Let me put the line. This is channel again on 1 hour. So all the markets are strong, and they are making some channel. Interesting one. Okay, so just like Bitcoin, we expect the market to continue going within the channel. So just I think it will keep going for at least for now. So next, let's check repo SRP. Repo is also buying, and you can see repo has broken this channel. So what do we expect? The price maybe something like this will happen. Then the next will be this level. If it goes this level, the next will be here. So repo, just as we as we have been expecting this type of move for long, now it's going to happen. Will it continue or will it bounce up from here? I don't know until we get there. For now, we are seeing signs of hope of bull market coming. Okay. So here is the main bull market. If it goes above here, for those who trade margin, I'm doing this for you. So this channel will be a kind of guide for margin traders. Okay, but those who trade as an investment, you don't need all this technical whatever I'm doing. So this is just for those who are who trade margin. Buying from here will make sense because you just move with something like this. So this is our next move will be like this. So buying for now makes sense on cryptos, many of them, because whenever Bitcoin is moving, they'll be moving with them. So you can see BNB. BNB has not properly broken this level, but BNB never lag. So BNB is one of the best performing crypto. The channel has been broken, but not properly yet. So, but I'm expecting up. So the next target is also here. Once here is broken, then the net target will be this. The net target will be here. Then after here, then the top. So that's what have on BNB. Going down to 1 hour. On our here again, we have an interesting channeling again on 1 hour. So now, what do we expect on BNB? Maybe something like this may happen. Then up move. In any case, it is buying all the way. Okay, so we move on. Litecoin is also, in fact, they're not really showing you all the coin. They are just going up. So I have shown you enough. No need of showing you all the coin. They are all doing good. All this move is a good move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are all doing good. DOGE is equally doing good. So this is an impulse. This is correction. So DOGE is equally doing good. So all of them. ETN, let's check ETN. ETN is lagging. Only few are lagging. Others are doing fine. You can see CHZ is doing fine. You can see it. CRO is also doing fine. They are all going up. VET is doing wonderfully well. You can see it. ADA is doing well. You can see they are all going up. Broken the channel. See 4 hours. See the channel. It has broken the channel, so it's going up. Stellar lumen. You can see it's going up. This 4 hour chart. Let me go to 1 hour. You can see it. They are all going up. So no need to show you one after another. Theta. You can see it going strong. They are all going strong. So I believe whoever sold his coin or her coin for fear will not be regretting. KuCoin token is yet to peak like others, but you can see it's going up. SHIBA is also trying to grow. And let me show you something. This is what I think happened on SHIBA. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. So 5 will be somewhere here. So SHIBA is also trying to do something good. OKB is doing wonderfully well. You can see it. IOTA is also doing well. So the coins are doing well right now. So let me go to stock to touch some stocks. It's been long, I haven't touched stocks. So let me do suggestions to stocks. Let me start from where that starts on stocks. So. Okay, we can see Tesla. I'm expecting a move down to complete this move before buying again. So for me, this is wave A, this is wave A, and this is wave B, and wave C, which is 4, will be here. So that's what I think of Theta. Okay. That must be a mistake. Okay. Oh, sorry. I zoomed in to see it in a bigger form. So I zoomed out to show us what is forming. So we are expecting triangle. That is, if this forming is triangle, then we're gonna see it drop before going up. before finally going down to give us the C wave. So why I'm showing this is that we may get a complex C wave. So this can be A, B, C, D, E. If that is the case, then watch out for this. Then if not, this can be A, B, C, D, E. Then it will go up, then it go down. That's Tesla for you. UK100. UK100 is a buy market. So it's a buy market. If we get a kind of running flat, then buying, because the next move we break this. That's what I expect to happen. DAX30 is also a buy market. So see what we expect. A correction. This move is an impulse move. So I expect something like A, B, C, then buy. So when if you see a correction, then it will be good to buy. Dow is going up. So what do we expect? It's either here or just break. In any case, it's buy. So now I don't trade this type of setup because I don't like how it moves. So my advice, if you want to trade it, you just wait for it when it drops. Because if you check it, it has been doing this, going up gradually, sudden drop, gradual moving, sudden drop, sharp move, drop, gradual move, sharp drop, gradual move, sharp drop, sharp drop. So if you are trading this type of price movement, be careful because you may accumulate profit for 2 weeks, and in one day they will be wiped out. So be careful if you're trading this type of pair. Nikkei is good to trade. As a matter of fact, if Nikkei drop further to this lower channel, maybe something like this, I'll look for buy from here because the next move we break even this and keep going up. So Nikkei is what I think trading will make a lot of sense. Nifty will also be good to trade, but selling, not buying because of this ranging. So maybe, but don't think it will go so deep. So if sell setup occurs somewhere here, or maybe if it gives us an ending diagonal, this type of move, what we call ending diagonal, then selling this from here, you make a lot of sense. Why do I do this? If you see this type of move developing, then forget this. Focus on this because selling will be once here is broken. You see correction, then selling will occur somewhere here. But if it doesn't go like that, if it keeps dropping below this place, you sell, but selling you only target here because I don't think it will drop that much. US30 is fond of sharp drop, sharp move, sharp drop, sharp move, sharp drop, sharp move, sharp drop, sharp move. So if I trade it, whenever it is dropping, let's say if it drop like this, if you see a sharp drop, you go to 1 hour or even 15 minutes to look for buy setup. So this price movement not an ideal trade for those who are learning. You must be a master of it before you trade it successfully, because you may have profits within 1 hour or 2 hours, they are all wiped out. So US 100, this can be this is tradable market. But just what I've been saying, let's assume you entered, you bought at the break of this level, then you did not take profit either here or here. Then these have taken almost half of your profit, or more than half. Okay, though it bounced back, but you know, when market is developing, we are always emotional. When you see it dropping, you think it will do this. Then you will close it out of fear. Then the next day it go up again. So that's why I always tell people to plan your trade. Plan your trade. So now let's go to what do you call it? Let's go to copper and nickel. Somebody made a request for copper and nickel. So let me touch it. This is copper. Let me go to daily to know what we have here on copper. So on daily, let me remove this. Okay, you can see on daily, this move is strong. So what do we expect next? I expect nothing but a little correction, something like this. Then the move will begin to go up. So this is what I expect on copper on daily. Let's see 4 hours. So 4 hours, you can see what we have on 4 hours. You can see this is correction, and after that, you can see the move. So maybe we get this type of correction again. After that, they move. So now, why am I saying this? If you are trading copper, no need to enter buy. Watch to know whether we are getting correction or not, because this type of correction can occur, or this type can occur. So just watch for correction before you buy again. Because you will not be happy if you just enter buy, expecting this to happen, then this will happen. One, if you take your time unnecessarily. Two, you can become confused. Let's see 1 hour. Do no need. 1 hour. The least we expect on 1 hour is this A, B, C, which is the same thing I said on 4 hours. Similar thing. Then another move up. So let's go to nickel. Nickel. Nickel and nickel and copper, they are doing almost the same thing. Let's start from daily. So you can see the daily candle with a nice channel. So what do we do? How do we trade this? Let's go down to 4 hours to see what we can do about this, how we can trade it. Okay, just like nickel, just like copper. Expect a 4 waves, 3 waves move. So it can be in any form. It can be zigzag. It can be flat. So whichever one, just look for 3 weeks, move back. Then the buying makes sense. So in my opinion, I don't see selling on nickel and copper unless we get a sharp move like this. Then look for this and look and sell. But if it doesn't happen, it is buy. Let's go to 1 hour and see what we have there. So 1 hour, you can see this move is strong. What do we expect? Let me show you. We expect a retracement at least 38, 22.3 to 38.2. So, but in the worst case, it will go to 50% at the worst, 61.8. But the way the market is moving, I think it's going to stop here. That's why I don't have blue balls there. So let's watch and see. Okay, so that's all for tonight. I think I touched S&P 500. Did I? 1 second. Yeah, this is S&P 500 index. Okay, the market is moving nicely, but in a gradual process. So the next move, we expect this to happen. For it to continue going like this, maybe like this, like this, like this, like this. So this type of move is what I expect to continue happening on this pair. So it's going up in a gradual process. So for you to trade it, wait for it to give you this type of move, this type of move, this type of move. Then you buy from there. Okay, so that's all for tonight. Remember, as I always say, if you want to learn to trade, contact me. This my phone number is on WhatsApp, on Telegram, call or SMS. If you are calling from outside the world, that's outside Nigeria, call 234-8060-809963. That's my personal phone number. You always get this number whenever you want to call. Okay. Both text, SMS, WhatsApp. So that's all for now. According to the night, trade with care. I wish you green pips. Bye.